To everybody, I'm back to my work looking for gold. Today I went in one old gold mine and I found a lot of dumps, weighs a lot of sand like this, and I grabbed it 2 buckets of this gravel. This is when they was blowing up tunnels, follow the veins. So those gravel contains like quartz, you see, quartz. So I just decided take 2 buckets because they're easy access. So I took this bucket, wash it, and use a classifier 100 mesh, and I got a small amount of dirt, and then I use this my pan and I pan it using black sand, okay, and I wash it, the sand, and the sand contains some kind of brown stuff. I don't know what is that, and contains a gold, but that's super small. So from all bucket I got this one and over here, okay, very little amount of heavy material, but when I look in microscope I see the gold. So let's see it's worth working or not, because the easy access, easy to get in, and just need to do the classifying part, okay, and collect all this heavy material, which one can be gold. Because gold is there, I already know, because I did test. Always test, you know. So this is this much from 1 bucket of sand. So let's go transfer everything to the biggest and see what we get it from this one. I transfer all that material, and that much I got it from full 5-gallon bucket of gravel mine dumps, okay. But this is gold, is super small, so to see it I don't even want to show you, because that is almost impossible without lupa. So right now I'm adding my sodium nitrite. Where is that my stuff? Nitrite. Okay. And hydrochloric acid. Today we got the rain some, so I'm happy. It's a little bit cooler. Okay, and this is putting on the heat. No, and now we'll be waiting till everything gets hot. I can say it's a lot of pyrite. You see that on the surface? It's a sulfur. It's pyrite is dissolving in aqua regia, and sulfur swims on the surface, like you see that on the surface. So I not do, how say this, roasting, because I using aqua regia. That is enough for me to dissolve. I'm not working on big amounts, so that is okay. It's not necessary to do roasting. You get the same results because sulfur is dissolving. You see, it's a sulfur on the surface. Okay, and now gold started dissolving. Okay, now we see the big reaction coming, because of the gold coming to dissolve. So I take it out from the heat till this stops. A lot of sulfides. See that black one stuff? It's a sulfur. And solution getting red. Already boiling for a while. Let's see test results. I add some urea and let's put this in. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. And now let me dissolve that and we will see that through if there is gold, this is supposed to become black. Okay. Urea is important. So let's see. Yeah, there is gold, but I can tell you it's not a lot. What to do? Let him maybe then not dissolve it yet. Let him work a little bit longer. But there is something is, so we'll see. Filtrate a little bit and rest. Let him work for a little bit longer, and we will see what's going on over here. I see the gold dissolving because I see a lot of bubbles. You see those bubbles? Those small little bubbles means gold dissolving. So we repeat, test a little bit after a few minutes. There's still something is dissolving, a lot of bubbles. And I filtrate little material because I'm want to see what's going on over here. So excited. So let's put styrene chloride right now. And we see color is changing. And I can tell you it's not so much gold. It's not a dark brown, some kind of, not a purple. Okay. Okay, now it became purple. Now became purple, but I can see cross. So that means not a lot of gold. It's maybe not worth working. So we'll see. Okay. What I got it. Okay, this still bubbling. But there is gold. Like I say, it's not a lot. So, what to do? Not always we getting a lot of gold. Coagulate for a few minutes, and now I be filtrating. Wait, I make a filter with cotton. So, let's see. You see, I putting dark, and if there is a gold, this gold stays on the filter. Solution supposed to become clear. So, let's see. Okay, I put it all, and let's see what solution. And like you see, boiling a little bit longer, I do another test. I put urea. You see those bubbles, small pieces? It's urea. Putting styrene chloride. Nothing changes. So means we don't have too much gold. Just barely something. Okay, we have some gold, but it's not worth working. I can tell you. If you can see clearly, it's not worth working on this. So right now I decanted this one solution, precipitate, and we're done with that. Mine dumps. So, transfer everything. Let's do styrene chloride. Okay, solution changing color. That is good sign, but I can tell you it's not a lot of gold. Okay. Yeah, strange color, but it's okay. I'm filtrating I put all solution in here and I let him filtrate. That takes for a long time, so I not be waiting. I just leave it, and when this everything be done, I take a filter and put in storage where I collecting all filters, you see, from my experiments. This is all filters with the gold. So when I have enough, I again redissolve everything, and then I precipitate in one filter, and then I smelt it. I know how much I got it. Okay, so right now I'm leave it. I can say those mine dumps don't have almost nothing there, no worth working. Yes, if you have a big amounts, maybe you can use a leaching, some kind of system, and leach that, but for little people like me, it's not worth working. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.